Makumalo has a mine in Muzumbe, that lithium mine. People were complaining about the dust, and the mine is going to affect many people in that area. So Makumalo told people that they have to shift and go to find somewhere to stay, because there is many things is going to affect, even the houses is going to crack, everything. People in Muzumbe are going to shift and find somewhere else to stay, but Makumalo is going to take the responsibility to build houses for those people. Makumalo, in her side, she is safe because Makumalo is already shifted in Muzumbe. She is staying in Durban. But the problem is people in Muzumbe, even Musamseleku. Imagine, guys, Musamseleku build houses in Muzumbe. We know that Musamseleku love Muzumbe so much. But what's going on now between the two of them? They don't understand each other. Makumalo, she wants to have a business at that mine. Maybe Makumalo can give Musamseleku some shares, because Musamseleku is the one who have got connections through those people, even through the chief, everything, but they don't get along, and people in Muzumbe are complaining about the mine, the dusty, everything. So I don't understand between the two of them, Musamseleku and Makumalo, because Musamseleku is the one who's supposed to stand with Makumalo, and they don't get along. We didn't see Musamseleku at Makumalo's mine or to do something, and Makumalo want people to move and go to find somewhere to stay. Other people, they refuse. They say this place they grew at, this place what everything. They are giving some of the reasons they don't want to move to find somewhere else to live. So Makumalo's business is going to be affected now, because people, they are being affected by the dust of the mine everywhere. We know the mine how is, especially when it comes to people. So Makumalo want money. Makumalo have got money. She can took responsibilities to give people money or to build houses for those people. But other people, they have got big houses. Even Makumalo's family, her parents, they have got a home in Muzumbe. Musamseleku have got a home, and his big home is Muzumbe. Musamseleku, he can't shift in Muzumbe because of Makumalo. And it is going to be difficult, guys, between the two of them. So maybe Makumalo can shut down your business if they don't understand each other with Musamseleku, because Musamseleku was the one because, guys, you know that other people, most of the people, they listen to Musamseleku's decisions more than Makumalo. If Musamseleku doesn't support Makumalo, so it is going to be difficult to Makumalo, because people in Muzumbe were complaining about the dusty what, but Makumalo can offer something to them, because she wants to have money at that area. And that area, guys, it is going to be difficult now. It's between Makumalo and Musamseleku. Musamseleku loves Muzumbe. We know a lot because of Muzumbe. He can't. We will see it on season 10. What's going on now between the mine? Maybe they are trying to fix things. But Makumalo, when she is not getting along with Musamseleku, it is going to be difficult, because Musamseleku was the one who's supposed to stand with Makumalo to talk with people in Muzumbe, because Muzumbe, people knows Musamseleku a lot. If Musamseleku do something, because they saw it on television, those people, they are not getting along, and there is such a serious thing like that. Guys, it is going to be difficult to Tobile. I don't want to lie, but Makumalo, you've got many options. Even she can quit the mine. You've got many things to do and make money. But we know that mine, you've got a lot of money, and people are complaining about the dusty what. Maybe Makumalo, she can run the mine 2 or 3 years and quit, I think, and maybe can open another business than to shift people in Muzumbe, because it is going to cost here a lot of money. Other people are build, guys, they build big houses in Muzumbe, and to repair all of those things, it is going to cost her a lot of money. I think she can run a mine or 2 or 3 years and quit and do something is better than to offer people, because she is going to have got a lot of loss in her business.